Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Zainab Abbasi, student of BS Environmental Science in Peer Meher Shah Arid University, Rawalpindi. Today I am here to present a topic sound system. In this topic we learn about the following topics are terms: objective, sound system, basic components, mixer, amplifier and types of mixer. Objective. The main objective to discuss this topic to learn about the basics of sound system and understand various uses for both live and recorded music. What is sound system? Sound system is a system of electronic tools for recording or reproducing sound or music. Basic components. A sound system have three basic components. Number 1 is source. Number 2 is amplifier or mixer, and number 3 is speaker. And source may be input or output. Mixer. Mixer is an electronic device which is often used for changing the quality and levels of audio signal. It is also known as sound board. Using a mixer is the most convenient way to route or combine various audio signal and even change the dynamics of sound. Mixer can combine multiple sound together. I am showing mixer on my screen. Next topic is amplifier. An amplifier is the device that turns the low voltage signal from your source equipment into a signal with enough gain to be used to power a pair of speakers. The sound does the heavy lifting and adds the gain to the signal in order to be used to power a pair of speakers. This is power amplifier. An amplifier changes the amplitude of signal. As we increase the signal strength, electrical noise is inherent due to amplifier. Types of mixer. There are two main types of mixer. The first one is analog and second is digital. Analog mixer work in the opposite way of digital mixer. This type of mixer uses analog sound transmission instead of digital sound system. There are few benefits to use an analog mixer instead of digital one. Analog mixer are much easier to operate because they have only function per control. With digital mixer, you can easily get confused if you design multiple function, if you assign multiple function to one knob or button. In professional audio, a digital mixer console DMC is used, and DMC is device used to combine, route and change the dynamics and other properties of multiple audio input signal using digital processing rather than analog circuit. Channels. There are two types of channel in sound system. The first one is mono and second is stereo. Mono. In mono system, only single channel is used. It can be reproduced through several speakers, but all speakers are still reproducing the same copy of the signal. While in stereo, more speakers are used. You can use two different channels and make one feed one speaker and the second channel feed the second speaker and produce different signal of the sound. You can see that mono uses only one channel and stereo audio uses two channels. Input. An input accepts the output signal and audio frequency voltage from an external piece of equipment. Audio output, by contrast, produce signal that drive another unit's input. Very little signal appears at an unconnected input as it accepts audio from external device. Microphone. As you know, a microphone is collectively called mic, and it is a device that converts sound into electrical signal. Dynamic microphone. Dynamic microphone is a type of microphone, and dynamic microphone are microphones that convert sound into electrical signal by means of electromagnetism. Condenser microphone. Condenser microphone are also known as for their excellent audio quality and sensitivity. They typically have wider frequency response and better response than dynamic microphones. Other types of microphones are parabolic, shotgun, wireless, pressure zone, kick drum, and bidirectional. Speaker. Speaker are one of the most common output device used with computer system. Speaker is the such a device that convert electromagnetic waves into sound wave. Speaker receive audio input from a device such as a computer or audio receiver. The input may be either analog or digital. Parts of speaker: surround, cone, dust cover, suspension coil, suspension, neck fill, front plate, magnet, yoke are some parts of speaker. Yoke is the back of loudspeaker. Magnet is the driving force of the speaker. And front plate form a gap of magnet circuit and cause voice coil to move. Voice coil producing a sound wave corresponding to the pattern of original speech. While cone is the membranes which attach with a voice coil and move according to push and pull of magnetic field. Enclosure. A loudspeaker enclosure is an enclosure in which speaker drivers and associative electronic hardware such as crossover circuit and power amplifier are mounted. Effects. Effects are alternation done to the original signal or sound. Usually two types of effects occur in sound system. Number one is time bass and number two is gain bass. Gain bass that happens with a high signal to noise, while time bass alters the timing of signal that affect the sound.